From electric and hybrid vehicles to futuristic concept cars and military-grade amphibians, we'll be taking a look at some of the most innovative and impressive amphibious cars out there. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a thrill seeker, or just curious about the latest and greatest in transportation technology, you won't want to miss this list. Watercar H1 Panther. The H1 Panther is an amphibious car developed by the Hungarian company Watercar. It is a modified Jeep Wrangler that has been converted into an amphibious vehicle capable of driving on both land and water. The H1 Panther is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and has a top speed of around 70 miles per hour on land and around 5 miles per hour on water. It is equipped with a propeller and a rudder for navigation in the water and can be operated using a joystick control system. The H1 Panther is designed to be able to navigate through shallow water, swamps, and marshes, and can be used for a variety of applications including rescue, recreation, and military operations. It has a number of features to improve its amphibious capabilities, such as a sealed body and electrical system, and can be equipped with additional features such as a winch and a snorkel. Overall, the H1 Panther is an innovative vehicle that combines the versatility of a Jeep with the ability to operate in aquatic environments. It offers a unique and exciting way to explore and travel in both land and water. Rinspeed Escuba. The Rinspeed Escuba is an amphibious car developed by the Swiss company Rinspeed. It is a concept car that was designed to be able to drive on both land and water and was unveiled at the 2007 Geneva Motor Show. The Escuba is powered by an electric motor and has a range of around 50 miles on land. It is equipped with a system of propellers and fins that allow it to dive and navigate underwater and can reach a maximum depth of approximately 10 meters. The car is designed to be fully submerged, with a watertight cabin that is equipped with oxygen tanks to allow the occupants to breathe while underwater. One of the unique features of the Escuba is its ability to be driven by a diver wearing a scuba suit, who can control the car using a remote control device. The car can also be driven using a conventional steering wheel and pedals when on land. The Escuba is a unique and innovative vehicle that demonstrates the potential for amphibious cars to be used for both transportation and leisure activities. However, it should be noted that the Escuba is a concept car and is not currently in production. Gibbs Phibian. This amphibious vehicle is the ultimate in off-road utility. The Gibbs Phibian is perfectly suited for any occasion, whether it be cruising down the highway, barreling through mud, or just taking a leisurely stroll through the rainforest. Phibian is the largest HSA and delivers outstanding performance whether on land or water. It combines truck, boat, and trailer in one vehicle and can operate at highway speeds on land and over 30 miles per hour on water. Phibian was designed with disaster relief as a leading driver of performance, and it turns recoveries into rescues. It doubles capability for the pursuit of criminals and provides much wider protection for citizens. Phibian can achieve more on land and water than a 1,500 kilograms payload 4WD truck, towing a heavy trailer carrying high-speed 30-foot boat. Rinspeed Splash. The Rinspeed Splash is an amphibious vehicle that was designed and built by Rinspeed, a Swiss automotive engineering and design firm. The Rinspeed Splash was introduced in 2004 and was designed to be a sporty and fun vehicle that could travel on both land and water. The Rinspeed Splash is powered by a 0.75-liter, 3-cylinder engine that produces approximately 50 horsepower. It has a top speed of approximately 75 miles per hour on land and can reach speeds of up to 6 knots, about 7 miles per hour, in the water. The Rinspeed Splash is equipped with a propeller and rudder system that allows it to move through the water, and it also has retractable wheels that can be raised or lowered as needed for land or water travel. The Rinspeed Splash has a unique and eye-catching design, with a sleek and streamlined body that is made of lightweight carbon fiber. It has a 2-seat, open-top configuration, and the interior features sporty seats and a modern dashboard with a digital instrument panel. The Rinspeed Splash received a lot of attention when it was first introduced and has been featured in various media outlets and automotive publications. It is considered to be a novel and innovative vehicle that has the potential to revolutionize amphibious transportation. Chevrolet Corfibian. The Chevrolet Corfibian is a concept car that was developed by Chevrolet, a division of General Motors, in the 1960s. It is an amphibious vehicle that was designed to be both functional and fun, with the ability to travel on both land and water. The Chevrolet Corfibian is powered by a V8 engine that produces approximately 400 horsepower and has a top speed of around 120 miles per hour on land. It also has a jet-propelled water jet system that allows it to reach speeds of up to 50 knots, about 58 miles per hour, in the water. The Corfibian has a unique and futuristic design, with a sleek and streamlined body that is made of fiberglass and steel. It has a seating capacity of up to 6 people and features a spacious and comfortable interior. The Chevrolet Corfibian was a prototype vehicle that was developed as a concept car and was never put into production. However, it received a lot of attention when it was unveiled and is considered to be an interesting and innovative example of amphibious vehicle design. It has been featured in various automotive publications and has been showcased at various car shows and events. Watercar Python. The Watercar Python has a sporty and aggressive design, with a sleek and streamlined body that is made of fiberglass and carbon fiber. It has a seating capacity of up to 4 people and features a spacious and comfortable interior. The Python can be driven on the road legally and directly down a boat ramp into the water. At the push of a button, the wheels retract into the hull and the rear-mounted Dominator jet drive can be activated when the gearbox is shifted into neutral. The car boat is powered by a supercharged V8 engine supplied by GM, and the car's creator, Watercar, claims it can accelerate from 0 to 97 km per hour in 4.5 seconds on road, while completing the quarter mile in 12.5 seconds. Helix Neptune. Helix Neptune is a 400 kg amphibious robot that excels at water characterization. It normally carries a sonar head on a retractable mount for bathymetric surveys, as well as the ability to deploy in situ characterization tools on a flexible line to a depth of 200 m. Copperstone Technologies has developed Helix, a family of autonomous field robots to collect mission-critical data in hazardous environments. Helix is designed to float on water or saturated soils and muds. Its large deck platform and high buoyancy allow heavy work such as water and mud sampling or geotechnical measurements, and add-on tanks allow for high push and pull forces. Tell us what you think about this vehicle. Gibbs Humdinga. The Gibbs Humdinga is an amphibious vehicle that was developed by Gibbs Sports Amphibians, a British company that specializes in designing and building high-performance amphibious vehicles. The Humdinga is designed to be a versatile and rugged amphibious vehicle that is capable of handling a variety of terrain and environments. Capable of highway speeds on land and speeds in excess of 30 miles per hour on water, the 4WD Humdinga transitions between land and water in seconds. At 7 m long, it is available in 3-seater and 6-seater configurations, making it ideal for personal or commercial use and effective in first responder situations where response times can be vital. The Humdinga has robust on-water and off-road capabilities that allows its task, be it recreational, utility, rescue, or otherwise, to be completed rapidly and efficiently. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have lots of other great content coming up, so make sure you stay tuned. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and are always happy to answer your questions. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.